so much. It's a bit lonely in here. But don't forget to have your healthy morning tea. And mum and dad or grandparents, set a timer so you know when morning tea is. Otherwise you're going to be asked every 5 minutes for snacks. So today we're going to be inventive, and I've got a challenge for you to make a cracker face. So I had a look what we've got, because you can't go to the shops all the time. So you could use a round face, which is a good face, or maybe you could use a skinny face, or, ooh, hang on, maybe you can even make a tiny face, or a square face. So I think I'm going to do a skinny face and a round face. So I had a search through and I found some sultanas, and I thought these would make really good eyes. But I might even spread them first. I like Vegemite, but you could use jam or peanut butter, whatever you like. Or just butter. I might do one just butter. One Vegemite. Then, okay. Then I went through the fridge, found some veggies, but they need a shower, so don't forget. Under the tap, give them a good wash. Ask an adult. Sharp knives. Cut some shapes. Oh, I know I said those sultanas make good eyes, but so do these. I might use those. I'm going to show you in a minute. And some of those. Oh, capsicum is always good. Or a smiley face. What do you think? Oh, maybe 2 smiley faces.
It could be a moustache.
A moustache? I like it. Okay, I'm going to do a moustache as well. It's a good idea, Mandy. All right. Got some beans. These are pretty good eyebrows. Yeah. And I've got a tomato. Ooh. Maybe we could cut. Oh, I've got another smiley face. And a nose. Okay. So come closer, Mandy. Come closer. Come closer. Let's have a look. Here. See if I can do this upside down. It's a bit tricky. There's my one face. This one, what did we say this was going to be? A moustache. It's got a bit of nose. Need some eyes. Oh, we've got some eyebrows. No, they're too long. Make them shorter. Aha! Oh, this one. Gotta use your imagination. Aha! Oh, he still can't see. Give him some eyes. I think I might do. Oh. Some eyes like this. Eyes. Are you laughing at my face, Mandy?
It's a funny face.
And then I'm going to eat him. I'm going to eat him up. Well, can you make some at home? Please send me a picture or a video. We would love to see them. Miss you guys.